How to get Duolingo Max. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you have to make sure we meet a certain criteria to be able to fully use Duolingo Max. Currently, Duolingo Max is only available in Canada, Australia, Ireland, New Zealand, United Kingdom, and United States. Next, you'll be needing an iOS device as it is only available there. And finally, Duolingo Max is only available to English, French, and English Spanish courses. If you have all these requirements fulfilled, you can get started on your Duolingo Max experience. The first step is to log into your Duolingo account via the iOS device. Next, head to the Training tab, which looks like a dumbbell on the bottom of your screen. Here you could see the additional options that come with Duolingo Max and Duolingo Super that can help better your learning. When we click Unlock with Max, you will be taken to the screen where you can see the specific options that you'll be unlocking when you do get the Max subscription. When you go ahead and click the Try button, then click the Start My Free 14 Days, it will send a push notification when your subscription ends. And then finally go ahead and click the same button again. Here it shows the subscription options for Duolingo Max. The family plan offers 24 and 99 Canadian dollars a month, roughly 19 USD, and the individual plan is 20 Canadian dollars a month, roughly 15 USD. For the family plan, 2 to 6 members can access Duolingo Max at a time, and the individual is self-explanatory. From here, you'll have to pick between the family and the individual plan. For me, I'll be doing individual and then click the Start Free 2 weeks. You'll have to enter some information to verify the purchase, and when that is done, it'll transfer you to the next screen where we have to click Let's Go, and you can finally start your Duolingo Max. Here it shows the features we talked about earlier, with the coolest one being able to video call with Lily. So that's basically how you can get Duolingo Max. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.